This is the light version of the Amazfit Verge. It's a sports fitness band, lots of little icons, flashlight capability, auto adjust brightness if you desire, do not disturb mode available, battery power, and lock the screen for when you're underwater because it is IP68 waterproof. You have step count information, heart rate information, and a couple of installed watch faces with the ability to add more if you like. You have an active app drawer with all kinds of good things, including separate workouts tied to GPS in the watch, activities from your calendar, overall weather with the forecasts available, a music player from your phone, notifications pushed to your watch, alarms, event reminders, and more, such as a count up timer, a countdown timer, or basically find your tethered watch. You have a few different things going on in settings, including the ability to reboot, shut down, or factory reset the device. All in all, it's a nice, simple fitness band, and it's available now, the Amazfit Verge Lite. Check it out.